The microscope was first built around 1600. If we press on the light bulb and adjust the focus, we'll be able to start seeing what Antony van Leeuwenhoek saw in 1690. Here's my hopscotch work table with the text, the light bulb, the light that was going to travel from the light bulb to the microscope to the eye, with the microscope, the eye, the button on the microscope, and what is being observed with the microscope. Here's our microscope. When the play button is tapped and the program starts, we're going to place it in the middle of the screen at 500/300. We're going to make it somewhat bigger by 1000%, and we're going to draw the background, which is one humongous dot of color salmon. Here we have our light bulb. When the play button is tapped, we are going to place it on the screen, set its size to 300%, and make it almost invisible by set invisibility 80%, so the light bulb is off at this point. We have our light bulb. When we press on the light bulb, we set invisibility 0%. That means we turn this light bulb on. We have our eyes. When the play button is tapped, we set their size to 200% and place them on the screen. At the beginning of the program, the light is going to be invisible. We have our light here. When the light bulb is tapped, we're going to start drawing the light from the bulb position. So we first place our light at the bulb position. In order to draw the light, we're going to use the leave a trail command. We're going to draw a yellow line of 10 units wide. We're going to start at the light bulb position, go through the mirror position that is on the microscope. We are going to go through the microscope and go to the left eye position to reach the eye. Here's the button that we need to turn in order to adjust the focus. So at the beginning of the program, we set the button position and its size. Here's our button. When we swipe down, we're going to turn the button by 180 degrees. And here's the button again. When we swipe in the other direction, we are going to turn in the other direction. Here's our vision, what we see through the microscope. When the program starts, we're going to place that vision at 800/200. We're going to make it completely invisible. We are going to set its size to 300% and send it back so whatever appears on top will be able to be seen. When the light bulb is tapped, we can start seeing the light through the microscope. So I'm going to set invisibility to 0% so we can see the light through the microscope. This is the object that we can see inside the microscope. When the play button is tapped, we're going to set its position. Initially it's going to be invisible, and we're going to set its size to 270. Well, what we're looking at here, when we turn the button and adjust the focus, we can see it better. So we set invisibility 0 so we can see the object. When we turn the button again, we are going out of focus, so our object becomes invisible. Put it all together and we have our program.